Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In light of the takeover of Twitter by Elon Musk, many people have started looking for alternative social media platforms. What looks to be the most popular alternative platform is Mastodon. Over the past few weeks, I've had lots of member requests to cover Mastodon, as it's both similar and yet completely different to Twitter, but many people are initially confused as to where to even start. So, in this introduction to Mastodon tutorial, I'm going to take you through the basic structure of Mastodon, how to set it up, and how to use most of the standard features. Importantly, I'll also be looking at various ways to discover people as well as a technique to bring over your Twitter followers across to Mastodon. Now, once signed up for Mastodon, you'll be able to do many of the things you currently do on Twitter, such as create short posts, favourite and boost other people's posts, send direct messages to people, as well as following various different feeds. So let's make a start with some basic terminology and concepts. Although I've been referring to Mastodon as a social media platform, it's actually made up of many thousands of interconnected Mastodon servers called instances. Now, I may interchange the word server for instance during the tutorial, but they both mean the same thing. The Mastodon server software itself is free and it's open source, and anyone can host their own Mastodon instance, although obviously there is a cost involved in running your own server. Access to the Mastodon service as a user is entirely free, but you are encouraged to donate via Patreon to help support the service, which is run entirely by volunteers. Now, you may hear the Mastodon network being referred to as part of the Fediverse, which is a term for a decentralized network which also includes other types of servers. Fediverse actually stands for Federated Universe, which describes the network of servers all running a standard protocol to communicate with each other, creating this federation of servers. We'll see the term federated used in the Mastodon interface when we look at it later on. With Mastodon being open source and distributed, it's not under the control or influence of any commercial entity, and it can't be easily shut down. And these are just some of the reasons why people are flocking to Mastodon from Twitter. So, how do you actually get started? That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.